How many projects have you started and still need to be done? Come on. Are those works in the progress or they just an idea? I'm gonna tell you what, I have a lot of both of them. Yeah, and I'm not proud of it. Is it video? Be honest. Are you tired of trying to create the perfect video? Oh no. Do you know how to do it? Do you know how to do it? If you don't, discover why it's time to embrace imperfections. Right. And let the raw footage, the raw unedited footage shine. It's bad quality and I don't want to hear those comments, let me perfect it and pause. Well, unfortunately, it will never be perfect because at the end of the day, it will be just some standard of how you want to measure it. Maybe a standard of the quality, the creativity. Don't compare yourself to others. Just start today at 0 and you are on a journey. Enjoy. Even the best film on imdb.com got terrible reviews. Shawshank Redemption. Who are you? Who are you? A lot of people hate popular music. Who cares? You should just hear your voice. Whatever you do, I care and you should care. Your parents should care. Your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your son, your daughter, whoever in the world, you need to care first. You should just hear your voice and get that shit done. Even you in the future will not care how you think today. And there are 2 easy choices to get this shit done. 1 is you learn about storytelling and editing. 2, you let someone do the editing job for you. Which one do you want to spend time and money on? I would rather just spend time on both. Learn both of the skill, how to tell the story and how to communicate with your editor. So you are better on the both ends, right? And if you don't want to edit, that's still okay because you don't need to edit. When you see sports or nails on the screen, they look so real and intense and often they're shot at 60 frames per second so they are crisp and they are live and they just swap between camera. It doesn't look like they are edited but they are edited. And they tell the story correctly. Let's go back to the actual cinema. Is this real? Cinema Verite, French for truthful cinema. It's a style of document. It's a style of. Let's go back to the actual. Is this real? Cinema Verite, French for truthful cinema. It's a style of documentary filmmaking that aims to capture real-life situations and people as they happen, without using the script, actors, or elaborate sets. Nothing fancy, just the way it is. And I think people should adapt cinema variety as much as you can. Not all occasion. Sometimes you can set something up and take the advantage of filmmaking, but if you want to go wild on it, do you believe in that phenomenon idea that you have and you want to hold on to it and you don't know how to get it done? Or you might have some idea which is the best way to get it done and the worst way to get it done. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, the global death rate is currently around 8.9 deaths per 1,000 people per year, or approximately 56.9 million deaths per year. People die about 24 people per minute. Respect your time. Now you know the heart of the project or the purpose of the project. Expand in a big picture, divide into a year and get 2 months ahead of your schedule. And from there, you will see how much time you need to spend on and how much time you don't need to spend on paper, right? And don't get overexcited or overwhelmed about how much the work gonna get done and how amazing it's gonna be. Just get the first thing, the first step done, and improve from there. So in order to have that winning approach, you need to win at least 2 weeks or 2 months or whatever. Have your work already done and edited and ready to schedule, or have some idea pre-written on the paper. Whatever you prepare, the better prep, the better cook. Get that first idea done. Yeah? In that calendar, I hope you find a little bit more about yourself and a little bit about purpose of your life, because it's you, it's totally you. But if you are creating something for your brand, I hope you make a lot of sales and have more time for your family. And I think in a month or 2, you will get a result. And from there, you can improve what you're gonna do. You will never know how much you can influence people around the world. Your shit is what you consume in the past. You should spread that word if you have digest and understood that thing already, right? What kind of art or how you get inspired by media or people around you. In this universe, we are all connected. So your input to the world will affect everyone. So, if you don't know how to edit your shit, don't edit your shit yet, unless you are ready or you know how. To know how, it might take around 10 minutes or 10 years to understand. But are you waiting for that time, the perfect time, to get your shit done? Are you waiting for the perfect time to fry the perfect egg? Are you waiting for the perfect time to swim? What are you waiting for? Use available tool creatively to get that shit done. In this example, you might not get the whole picture. Imagine, you eat some junk food, right? And you digest it, you poop, you shit, still not done. When you flush the toilet, the waste product go down to the special pipe. This pipe take them to a place called septic tank or a treatment plant. And in the septic tank, tiny helpers called bacteria break down the waste and turn into the sewage. And then the sewage is released into the ground where it absorbs and filters, right? In the treatment plant, the sewage is treated with a special chemical and other substance to ensure it's safe for the environment before it's released. At some point in our life, that shit will affect us somehow, right? I'm Thai, and we love bidet. We use water to clean our butt. I've got a product that's gonna change your life. Literally, forget paper tissue. This is Tushy. You know what is bidet? Bidet is a little thing that attached next to the toilet and it cleans your butt. But in Thailand, we use that or a plastic bowl to scoop water and splash our butt. We also use toilet paper or tissue, but forget about tissue. This is Tushy. I'm gonna show you. Tushy, the best bidet you can look for on the market. They have available colors. I got this black and gold Tushy for myself, and I got white and wooden knob for my family. I don't know if I should taste it for you. The water gonna come out. Okay, I'm showing you. This is a bum wash and nozzle wash. The nozzle wash, when you turn it to left, it will just pour some water down. And you can, nobody knows. Nothing! If you adjust this spray angle, it will hit your shit, nothing else. And I'm gonna show you the bum wash, how strong it can go. Well, hopefully it doesn't splash my ceiling. 1, 2, oh shit, it literally just went to my wall. Be careful when you use it. Oh my God. I went to my friend's place for a party. We got some drink, we had a good time, right? And then I went to his restroom, just a normal occasion, and I saw this bidet and I was like, whoa, what is that? Let me try it on. When I turn the knob, the water come out like, it's so strong, but you don't need to put that high pressure for your butt. Just a little to clean it down, you know? When you finish taking your shit or reading that article or swiping the phone, just turn that little knob to turn the spa mode for your butt. This is 2023. Are you looking for a game changer or something to change your life? Forget about rough toilet paper. Tushy gonna change the spa game for your butt. Welcome to the Cleaning Living Club. Use this affiliate link to buy the product and I will earn some commission, and I truly appreciate your support from your shit. There is not much shit I can control in life. Now I do. ทนถุยให้ทั่วกันวันเลยคำหวานหันหูมาดีทีหันตัวรีแดดดูหันหูมาดีดู